A variable is like a container that holds information. It's a named placeholder for data that you can use throughout your program. Variables can store different types of data, such as numbers, text, arrays, or objects. Think of a variable as a labeled box that you can use to store and retrieve values whenever you need them. For example, you could have a variable called age that holds the value 25. By using the variable name age, you can refer to the value 25 easily without having to remember the specific number. Variables in JavaScript are flexible because you can change their value at any time. This allows you to perform calculations, store user input, or keep track of the program's state. Let name is equal to John, creating a variable called name and assigning it the value John. Let age is equal to 30, creating a variable called age and assigning it the value 30. Console.log, my name is name. Console.log, I am age, years old. Age is equal to 31, updating the value of the age variable. Console.log, oops, I had a birthday. Console.log, now I am age, years old. In above example, we create two variables, name and age. We assign the values John and 30 to them, respectively. We then log out the values using the console.log function. Afterward, we update the value of the age variable to 31 and log it again to reflect the change. Variables are essential in programming because they allow you to work with and manipulate data more efficiently and dynamically. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more such videos.